Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, on the BNB chart, I'm currently exploring basically two main pathways. The first one assumes that a lasting low might indeed have been established here. Yeah, a lasting low in this wave 2 correction could have been established here on the 12th of October. This is the wave 2 that follows the wave 1 increase into November 22. And then we have an A, B, C structure to the downside. And it could have bottomed, okay? Objectively, if you look at this, yes, we have potentially 5 waves down. I don't like the way this last drop looks. I would have loved to see it hit at least $200. It came down to 202. Fine, that's okay. I'm okay with that. And it hasn't even confirmed a turnaround, okay? But as we already said about other coins, you know, we are tentatively assuming that lows are in place here at the moment in the market until support levels break, because it is a realistic spot for them to turn around. Some show more potential at the moment, some less. Some are still tired, not moving at all. BNB is somewhat moving, but that's the first scenario, that a low is in place in a wave 2 and we are rallying in a wave 3. A few things I don't like about this. The main aspect is that in this pullback, the price dropped too much. Okay, it dropped just too much. It dropped below the 78.6 FIB. It even dropped below the 88.7 FIB. I think I actually have on this chart the linear. So we need to look at the 88.7. Where are we here? It dropped below that. You could say it's not a sustained break, but it dropped below it. So yeah, you know, I've got some problems here. It just shows too much weakness. Then I think you can interpret that move to the upside as a 3-wave move as well. Okay, which is why in the red count, which is the bearish count, I view this top here in November as a B wave, and we could come down far lower, much lower, okay, in the coming weeks and months if, but only if, the $184 level breaks. So the red count will really get activated below 184 US dollars. Okay, so until then I'm tentatively bullish. And now let's zoom in. When can we say a low is in? Well, you know the routine, right? The simplest form of a trend is a 5-wave move up, 3-wave move down. Essentially, you know, I talk so often about this, but it's essentially to understand what it actually means. If you get 5 waves up, 3 waves down, you cannot show a trend in a more simple way. That's why it's so important. It is the earliest and most simple signal that a trend is up. If we get 5 waves up, 3 waves down, or you can't do it. We need that signal. At the moment, according to my reading, we only have 3 waves up. This could be a wave 4. Yes, I gave you support in the last videos. The price already reacted to the 50% retracement level. Ideally, I'd like to get one more wave to the upside to form 5 waves up, basically, all right? What I don't like is the short wave 1 down here. So I might say, okay, you know, maybe is this wave 1, maybe this wave 2. That's the problem in a diagonal. In a diagonal, we just have to be a little bit flexible with the waves because they don't adhere so well to Fibonacci levels. Well, if that's the 1, 2, then this could have been the 3, and the wave 5 could reach, well, as a minimum, I would say 240, more ideally 243 or even 247 would be ideal targets here for a wave 5. Can always extend a little higher, but at least if we get 5 waves up, then we can say the trend has shifted. After that, a 3-wave pullback would give us more confidence. So again, it's a bit too early to really confirm stuff. In the red count, very important, in the red count, this could have just been an A wave low, okay? And we're now moving up in a B wave, and this B wave could actually be the B wave of wave 3. We then would deal with a diagonal to the downside here. That's possible. This B wave could also be quite aggressive, but that's the next question we deal with, right? First question is we have to, first of all, deal with the question, have we actually formed a somewhat lasting low? If that's confirmed, then we can deal with the question, okay, is this a 3rd wave rally to the bull market high, or is it only going to be a B wave that will crash down again? The thing is, BNB hasn't really moved a lot yet. So, you know, it hasn't moved enough to confirm anything. So I'm literally just observing this at the moment. And I will keep you updated. And if anything interesting shows, I will let you know. Yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.